Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, we will be learning how we can archive an email in the Gmail application. So for that, firstly you have to locate the Gmail application in your phone and open it. Once you have opened your Gmail application, briefly hold on the email which you want to archive. Briefly holding the email will give you the option of archive, which is located on the left hand side of the delete option with a down arrow, and when you click on it, as you can see, email has been archived. But another simple process to archive an email is to swipe the email in the right direction. As you can see, this is another technique through which you can archive an email. Our mail has been archived, but we can access the archived email as well. For that, click on the three lines button which is located at the top corner of the screen inside the search box, and scroll down to the option saying all mail and click on it. As you can see, our archived mail has been stored here. So this was it guys. This is an easy and convenient method how you can archive an email. If you guys found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.